Diet biryani. Spicy diet biryani. Hello friends, today I'm going to make spicy diet biryani in which I'm going to use the extra virgin olive oil, 1 upon 3 cup, 1 packet of Shan biryani masala, 2 cups of brown rice which are soaked in water for 4 hours and the water is drained as you can see in the video. Half kgs of boiled or raw chicken cubes you can take. So we are not gonna use the potatoes in this recipe. 10 to 12 green chilies, 1 medium sliced onion and 1 medium sliced tomato, 1 upon 3 cup of the fresh coriander leaves and half cup of yogurt or curd and 1 tablespoon of dried mint leaves because I don't have the fresh mint right now. Salt to taste for the boiling of rice and 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. So let's prepare our spicy diet biryani. Use a pot, boil the water, add the soaked brown rice and add salt to taste and boil it completely. In a separate pot, add 1 upon 3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, heat it and add the sliced onions and stir fry it until it is totally golden brown. Now when the onions turn totally golden brown, add the boiled chicken, the half cup of yogurt we took, and add the ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons and fry it. Now after adding the ginger and the garlic paste, I'm going to give it a nice stir, and now I'm going to add the spicy masala packet which I showed you in the starting of the video, and I'm going to use half of it. It's according to your taste, you can add more or less. You can also add salt according to your taste, but I'm just going to use the half of the packet of the masala. And now I'm going to give it a nice stir and cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now after stir frying, it will look something like this. Add 1 upon 3 cup of water and cover and cook on medium heat. After stir frying it, it will look something like this, and the oil you can see is eliminated totally. So our curry is ready for the biryani. Now you can see our rice are completely boiled. The brown rice usually takes a long time, so you can see. Now remove the excessive water and drain it with the help of a strainer and leave it on the strainer for about 2 minutes until completely dry. Brush the pan with olive oil. Now in the same brushed pan, we're gonna add half of the brown rice which we boiled and it's completely soaked, and we're gonna add the half of the chicken batter. Again, we're gonna repeat with half of the rice and chicken batter. Now all you're gonna need is a straight pan. You're gonna heat it for 15 minutes. It will be hot, and you're gonna put the biryani filled pot on it, and now add the garnishing. I'll add the tomatoes, the green chilies, and the fresh mint or the dried mint, whatever. Add the fresh coriander, some of the fresh coriander, and add the leftover rice. Now add the leftover gravy, chicken gravy, and I'm not going to mix it. I'm just going to leave it like this to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes on high flame, and you will see it's going to give a very mesmerizing taste. So let it heat for 15 minutes. Steaming it for 10 to 15 minutes, I'm just going to give it a nice stir, and as you can see in the video, and you can see how perfect our biryani is looking and how tempting and tasty it is looking, especially for those who are on diet. It's like a treat for them, and it's totally dieting biryani. We didn't add any potato. Now sprinkle some of the fresh coriander on it, and you can see how mesmerizing our spicy diet biryani looks, and you can diet with this biryani. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel.